It's me, Angharad, from Angharads Live, and I'm so excited. In today's video, we'll be sharing with you all an amazing surprise that I've just had.
I'm looking forward to sharing this with everyone.
It was absolutely brilliant. Should we go back in time, Mum?
I think that's a great idea.
No matter where we go, no matter where it ends, as long as I've got you.
Everyone is pulling on thing because it's too cold in here. Hello. Yeah, we've come to Stitch Café. And if we go left,
This is the reason why we wanted to change
good
it
girl,
to
Sarah.
Manchester, because I saw a TikTok.
Really?
It said Stitch Café, and I'm like,
Really?
no one would love that.
In front of you there is a board that's got a picture of where it is.
A couple of vegan options.
Oh my god.
I think it's a smoothie that's a vegan option.
Yeah, but there was so much food like that.
Oh, is it as well? So in front of you.
Here's the Hawaiian slush puppy.
How's that?
That's really, really delicious. So excited about everything else too.
It
It's
sounds
amazing.
so good.
And it's amazing that you do vegan pizzas here too.
It really is.
Here's a Lilo Sunrise Punch. Oh, that's so fruity.
It's delicious, isn't it, this one?
Pineapple. Wow.
And you can taste the mango in it as well.
You really can. They have so many vegan options too. Here it is, the vegan pizza sub. The classic vegan margherita pizza. Smells so good.
So good, they can veganize it.
The cheese is amazing and the sauce is so nice too, and also the sub is nice and crunchy.
It's really lovely, isn't it?
And it's especially. Here are the nuggets and the ranch. so kind as well. We asked if Sarah needs some water too.
It's so lovely. Very smooth now.
She is. Have a lovely warm walk.
Good.
Should we try these loaded hash browns in a minute?
Great idea.
They sound incredible, don't they? Have a look.
They look amazing.
Great. Everything on the fork. Wow, from the gherkin to the bacon bits, the vegan cheese sauce, the toasted tots. That is an incredible sight.
I have found a place out of time and space, far from city lights, up on greater heights. See the blue sky, feel the wind that blows. Get the rush in, heaven only knows. I'm all alone, still lying far from lonely. On a journey, on a winding road. Got tired of the running, the catching up. I got hungry for the sunny, high mountain tops. So I made some plans, some dreams to catch, to promised lands, to find my path. See the planet from greater heights. I have found a place out of time and space, far from city lights. You and I till the end, don't need to pretend. Again and again, we'll stick together. Everything is alright with you by my side. We won't say goodbye, we'll stick together.
We really enjoyed sharing little bits with you all from the amazing time that we had with our friends. My face when I heard about the Stitch Cafe.
Oh, your face was amazing.
The Stitch Cafe was absolutely incredible.
And it was so good that they had quite a few vegan options.
I know.
Or things that could be veganised.
Definitely. Not just drinks either.
No, I know. It was really lovely. And everything was so tasty as well.
Oh, it really was. And being there with our friends too.
That made it even more special.
It really, really did. And Sarah really enjoyed herself too.
She did. She did a nice little lie down as well, didn't she?
She did. Oh, and the bedroom was so big for Sarah to run around.
It was a massive bedroom and Sarah really did enjoy having to run around there.
She did, playing with the toys. It was lovely. Oh, and the food at Vurger Co.
Oh my gosh, that food was so amazing. We've always enjoyed all the food we've had when we've gone to Vurger Co. But with the new items, it was really lovely to be able to try them as well.
It really was lovely to try. The nuggets.
They were really good. We enjoyed everything, didn't we?
We did.
Looking forward to going back again, and we'd have to definitely go and see if they got anything else new next time.
Oh, and take everyone with us too.
Definitely take everyone with us as well.
Thank you so much, everyone, for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. It helps so much. Comments really do help a lot too, and we always love hearing from you. If you are new and enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing under the video or at the end of the video. It is free, and press notification bell so you're notified when we post new videos. This time in the comments, we'd love so much to know if you like the Disney film Lilo and Stitch.
I think that's a great question.
Would you like to go to the Stitch Cafe, or have you been?
Good questions.
We really hope to see you all here again very soon. Bye! Take care! And bye from Sarah too!